I don't understand now. What is all this argument about this early morning?
What is it? See, let me tell you, you do not have any reason whatsoever to call me your wife if you haven't wedded me properly in church.
What are you talking about? I did the traditional marriage on your head, oh. I broke a kola nut on your head. I paid your bride price in full. In fact, I am not owing anybody in your village, not even a dime. I even remember that I dashed your mother money that day.
You see, I don't still understand why I should have a multi-billionaire as a husband. Yet, Ekene, you don't want to wed me in church. You don't want me to enjoy like my fellow women. Ekene, it's not like you don't have the money. You have the money. You have a whole lot to throw around. So why don't you want to do the needful? Why?
Which needful are you talking about here? I have done a traditional marriage on your head, but yet you want me to do white wedding. What we all know is traditional marriage. I have done it. You see all this white man, these are frivolities, or what do they call it? Frivolities. My name is Ekene Natego one of Orifite. And I don't have any reason to I don't have anything to prove to anybody.
What are you even talking about, Ekene? You wedded me traditionally. Immediately I put to bed. And afterwards, what next? All my friends whose husbands aren't even as rich as you are had their white wedding and their traditional marriage done simultaneously. How much are we even talking about here? 50 million naira. 50 million naira and we have everything sealed and forgotten.
50 million naira! I should cough out 50 million naira because you have to go and cut your daughter's head.
What?
Yes. You are going to cut your daughter's head and use it for ritual. You want me to cough out 50 million naira for wedding that people will come, eat, drink and go without even giving me shishi. I will not do it.
You see you're a selfish man. You are very selfish. You're calling a white wedding ordinary. It's very selfish, Ekene. Chealia, you are a very selfish man.
Hi!
Very selfish man.
For the first time in life, you called me by my name.
Is your name not Ekene?
Bring this man now to come save these people. You're in the vibrate house. Okay, I'm Mariam. They just go inside. Then they argue since morning. I don't know.
Is it their voice I'm hearing?
Yeah, now their voice. So, now God do am say me you come. My intervention be this because breathing just they vibrate. Person just they argue. Waiting be that. Sure, if they don't chop better, then go argue. That one are your concern.
Ekene, all I am saying is that you need to buy me your wedding gown. A flowing one. And then take me to church. Get a priest to stand before me while you propose to me. Ask me if I will be your wife.
That one will not happen.
Put a ring on it. I need a ring.
Go and buy rope. Now buy rope and tie me to the bank to give you the money.
I need you to do a white wedding.
I will not give you.
We need to have a white wedding.
Can you stop? I was hearing your voices all the way from downstairs.
No, leave him. Let him pep talk me. And give me 1,000 reasons why we shouldn't have our white wedding in church.
Ekene, have you forgotten that we're supposed to have an appointment today? And why are you dressed like this?
What is wrong with what I'm dressing now? But that is not the bone of contention now. I want to ask you a sincere question now. What is the wrong in me marrying my wife traditionally? No, answer me.
Look at you. Same Felix you're seeking validation for is fully married to his wife. Felix, did you not tell him that you got married to your wife? You had your white wedding and your traditional marriage simultaneously. Did you not tell him? Were you not there?
You are right on that one. But Felix is standing here. He's not a traditional man. I am a full traditional man. And I don't have anything to do with the white man's intervention. I don't...
White man's invention.
Did I ask you to correct me?
No, be here and be arguing like a woman. If you like, don't prefer and go for your appointments. Felix, please. Talk senses into him. Better talk senses into him.
Oh, yeah? So I don't have a sense.
Do you?
Look at him.
Look at
the woman that I married.
Why did you choose today of all days to have this altercation with your wife?
What are you talking
The
about?
representative the investor sent got upset and left. Guy, this is 500 million naira we're talking about. I hope you know that.
Calm down now. There is a reason why I am called Ekene Otego one Norifite. I know the Aoga. I'm a Mamado. Hold on, let me call them.
Better do that magic you want to do. Better do the magic.
Hello? My name is Ekene. Ekene Natego one of Orifite speaking to you. Yes, I heard that the person you sent for the appointment waited for me for a very long time and decided to leave. If I happen to be in his shoes, I will also do the same. So I am very, very sorry for what happened. I want to see if we can reschedule another date. But I will compensate you for all your stress, so I will give you the sum of 50 million naira. For you to reschedule a new date for us so we can have the appointment successfully. Yes, now. Ha! That date is perfect. Very, very perfect. We are going to work towards that date. Thank you very much. Thank you. I told you now.
Did you just offer to give that guy 50 million naira?
Yes, now.
When you can comfortably give him 10 million naira and he will gladly accept.
Felix, you know one thing about you. You don't know me very, very well. I hate to mess up in my business, so.
Oh. But you like mess up in your home. Ekene, for the longest time, your wife has been asking you for a white wedding. Why don't you just oblige her? It's not just for her own good, it's for your own good as well.
What are you talking about? Which own good are you talking about? The only people that will benefit from this wedding are the people that will come and eat belly full and go that day. Nothing more.
Amen. If you did not have the money, it would have been a different ballgame. But guy, you're a rich man. What is there in spending? Okay, you just threw away 40 million naira because you could have given that guy 10 million naira. 40 million naira would have been more than enough to organize a portable wedding. Okay, if you don't want something flamboyant, you can have an in-house thing. Few friends, family. Just give your wife a white wedding.
Felix, you are talking nonsense. Rubbish. I will not do anything. Leave it me alone now. It is my money. Everybody will be fine. My wife that you are fighting for will be fine. Remember, she is my wife. I know how to handle her. I am not bringing out any money for any portable wedding or any in-house wedding. I am not doing. See, I have told the representative that next week we will schedule. You understand? So we can meet up together. They are working at Come and meet me downstairs. Meet me downstairs now.
Please confirm the new date.
Meet me downstairs.
Can I confirm the new date from the guy now? I'm not laughing with you.
Baby girl, in as much as I want you to have your white wedding, I mean, it will be an honor to be your chief bridesmaid. I'll get to post all over social media that my friend is getting married. But what I don't want is you having a misunderstanding with your husband because of it.
It shocks me that you're saying this. It beats me every day, every single day, that I have a wealthy man as a husband, and I can't even boast of being fully married.
But the last I remember, your husband...
My husband has done what? I tried it. Is that what you want to say? Helen, you and I know that doesn't suffice. Okay, if white wedding wasn't that important, why did you and your husband have your white wedding done immediately after you tried?
You know, what I don't understand is your husband this rich, yet he's dragging his feet to do the needful. I totally don't understand.
I sincerely don't understand as well. In his words, he called it preventives. I don't know. He probably thinks that I want to use this medium to show to the world that I'm marrying a rich man. You know that I am not in competition with anyone. I don't have that time. I don't.
My friend, if you will take my advice, this your constant persistence will only disrupt your marriage. And I don't want that for you. I don't want your marriage to crash or I just want the best for you.
I see. Honestly, if this doesn't work, I think I have to go with my plan B.
Hope you know the negative implication this will have on your marriage.
Of course I do. All I am doing is for my own good and that of my husband.
Stop. What is it?
Then why? What is all this nonsense now? Why are you stopping me from performing my conjugal right?
Again, I already told you I'm not in the mood. I am not in the mood.
If you are not in the mood, me, I am in the mood. Yes, now I will help you and put you in the mood. Let us do this thing now.
Ekene, you're a selfish man. You're a very selfish man. Why can't you respect my decision? I just told you I am not in the mood. My body is not receptive to any sort of contact right now. Don't touch me.
Listen to me, listen to me. I'm not joking here. Whether sell fish or sell meat, I don't even care. I go for whatever it is that I want. And it seems you have forgotten that I am not a go one or for if it. Whatever I want, I get it. See, I paid in full. I am not owing anybody from your village even a dime. So I brought Coca-Cola nut on your head too. What do you mean that you're not in the mood? You must give it to me. You must give it.
Stop. I won't see my body. What is it? I'll shout. I'll shout.
Shout what? Then why? What is all this nonsense now? Since last night, this morning too, you are still behaving as if I'm not your husband. Let me even ask you, why have I been targeting and shooting my shot into your net and you refuse to catch it? You want to be an honor on my head or getting a message?
What are you even talking about?
Don't even pretend to me as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Oh. Don't pretend here.
Ekene, let me even ask you. Have I not given you a child? No, I need you to answer me. Have I not given you a child? So why are you stressing about this whole thing?
Are we talking about the daughter you gave me?
Fine. At the right time, a son will come through. What is there that is so hard to understand?
What are you saying? Is it not your fault? It is your fault because I know how I have been positioning, giving you left, right, and center everywhere. Take your leg up and hang on the air, doing everything. But you are not catching it. You are not doing anything. Instead, you went there and became a defender. What is all this one now?
Ekene, when have I become God? Do I look like a God? Can you just answer me? Am I God? I'm not God that gives children. Ekene, when the right time comes, I will give you plenty boys.
You are beginning to act as God. Yes, you are beginning to act as God. Let me tell you here, listen to me. Your primary assignment in this house is going to give me children. Not just children, no, male children. In Ania. What is all this one?
Of course. I am a wife who understands her primary assignment.
Okay.
I understand my responsibility as a woman. But then I expect you to understand yours as a husband. Live up to it.
Okay. I can actually imagine how tense Ekene has made the atmosphere of that house today.
You know, like, once he wants something desperately, he can go to him and get it.
Babe, what I don't understand is why Ekene will let the opinion of someone threaten the peace and quiet of his own home. The Ekene I know was never keen on having a male child. He was indifferent.
That's Ekene for you. People's opinion matters a lot to him. But come to think of it, Chioma is 5 years old already. Why hasn't Adora been able to have another child?
That I don't know. But one thing I am certainly sure of is that your friend Ekene is being biased about this whole thing. I mean, Adora got pregnant for him out of wedlock. That was why he hurriedly did the traditional marriage. I am sure if she didn't get pregnant for him, he wouldn't have done anything. See, my friend is not mentally okay to get pregnant right now. All she's concerned is why her husband doesn't want to do the white wedding. It's really not fair.
This whole thing is getting more complicated than I thought. But I'm sure they'll find a way around it. They'll figure it out. They'll be alright.
I really hope so. I just hope so because I'm concerned about my friend. I'm so concerned about my friend. No, baby, stop. It's not about us right now. Chika, please, go and tell Kingsley that he has a delivery to make to the mainland. In the next 20 minutes. Hurry! People always make me talk. Sorry for your stuff.
Okay, is she in?
Oh. Hey, hi, friend! How are you? I am good. How are you? You look good. Sit.
Hey! Hi, I tried your number a few minutes ago, but it wasn't connected.
It's probably network. No, there's no network here.
I see.
How are you?
This is me. How else will I be when my husband is making life a living hell for me?
My husband told me everything.
He did?
Yes. And every day I thank God for giving me the best husband. Look at me. I'm unable to conceive for my husband after years of marriage. But yet my husband doesn't make me feel uncomfortable about the situation.
You know, Ekene is a selfish man. I tell him every day that he is a selfish man. He's only keen to his interests and wants, without considering how I feel as his wife. All I ask is a simple white wedding. Wed me in church? No. But here he is, pressurizing me that I should give him a son. As if it's my fault that I can't give him a son.
Is it?
I don't understand.
I'm sorry. Adora, you're my friend. You're my best friend. I know I'm not the right person to ask you questions, but are you sure everything is okay?
Oh, you probably think that I'm happy that I'm unable to give my husband a son. How can you even ask me something like that, Helen?
I'm sorry. All I'm just saying is, I don't want your husband's desperation to get the best out of you.
Of course I won't. I am not God that gives children. If he's desperately in need of a son, he should consider adoption. It's that simple.
Adopting. Ekene. You know that's impossible. It can't happen.
Helen, please. I've gone through a whole lot of stress. I don't want anyone adding up to it, please.
Enough of, let's not just, I don't want to spoil your mood. I don't want you to be sad in my workspace, please. I have something I want to show you in my office. You will like it.
Don't tell me you've gotten another set of clothes.
You will like this one. Come on, let me show you.
This girl.
Please just cheer up. Stand up. Please. Let me show you.
Okay. Kill me.
Has become the problems of ourselves. Some of us somehow has become problems of ourselves. Ooh.
Honey, food is ready. You should come eat. I mean, this is strange. I am supposed to be the one angry here and not the other way around. What is going on? I am coming. Oh, Mama. Mama, you are welcome. Welcome, let me help you with your bag.
Leave my luggage alone. Hey, Adora. Kedia. You want to help me carry my luggage, Abby? Did I ask for your help?
Okay, I'm sorry about that. I mean, you didn't even call. I didn't know you were coming.
Adora, I did not know that there's actually a timetable drafted out for me, stating the days and how I should come to my own son's house.
Mama, you know that's not what I mean. I'm only trying to say that you should have called. You should have called to let me know that you are coming. At least I will prepare very well for your arrival. Make you something for you to eat.
You prepare for my arrival? As who? Jesus Christ, waiting for the arrival of his people. Is it not? Please quit this your pretense. I know you very well. And I know that you are not happy seeing me in this house.
Why wouldn't I be happy seeing you in this house? You're my mother-in-law, right? I am happy, Mama.
Excuse me. I know you don't want to see the people that will tell you the truth. But you see that truth? I will continue to tell you. And the truth is that it is your children, my grandchildren, that are supposed to be running around this house. And at a moment like this, they will be the one to run to me and welcome me with their warm embrace, instead of coming to show me your pretentious face. Look, Adora, my son needs a male child. We need children in this family. It is not hard now, eh? We need an heir.
Mama, I understand that you are actually tired from the trip, of course. So I'll gladly take you to your room so you can rest and, freshen up while you find something to eat.
Indeed. Truth they say is bitter and a hard pill to swallow. I know my way around this house. This is not the first time I'm coming to my son's house. So don't worry, I will find my way. What am I even saying? Maybe I should even move my things into that master bedroom. Because you don't know how to use the bedroom. That big bed that is set for you, that you're supposed to position yourself in different ways so that male children will be running into your womb. But you have failed. Maybe I should go there and go and relax. You can put that one closer. Where is my son?
Your son went to work. I'm going out to pick my daughter from school.
Adora once. Oh. So you served me once. And what are these? Difa.
Mama, you're just being unnecessarily dramatic. This is pasta. Spaghetti and asu.
Hey, now I know. So this is what you have been serving my Odogu son. Eh? This is what I've been feeding him that has made it impossible for him to impregnate you. Adora, what happened to Apple? Eh? Manually pounded apple with onubu soup or salad soup.
Mama, please count me out. I don't know how to pound apple. I cannot. I'd rather go to market and buy already prepared food now. Mama, please. I made this thing for you to just eat and hold yourself. Later in the evening, I will prepare something heavy for you to eat.
Adora, are you not ashamed of yourself? If you know we're gonna imagine. Eh? Thank God that I did not come here with any of my friends, because you would have rubbed me on the ground and then made me a topic of discussion in the village. Hi!
I beg you. I already have a whole lot on my plate this period. Do not come and add to my stress. Do not come and give me mental stress, please. I'm already going through a lot this period.
Wait. Who do you think you're talking to? You're talking to me like that? If you speak to me like that again, I will dip my hand into your stomach and rip off your barren womb. Just look at this one. Negodegi, you have not been able to fulfill your wifely duties. Instead of you to be humble, hide your face in shame, you are being rude. I don't blame you. Let me go to the kitchen and prepare something for myself. You can eat your one in peace.
Are you sure you don't want to eat? What about the meat? Oh.
How is my beautiful granddaughter?
fine, Grandma.
Look at you. You are all grown up now.
Yes, I'm now a big girl.
Come. Did your father tell you that he will be bringing you a new one soon?
What?
Enough, Mama. What is it?
A mommy that will give you many brothers that will be playing around the house with you.
Mama, please. Please. Can you just stop? This is a very inappropriate thing to tell a child. I don't like it. Please, stop. Please.
It is now that I can see why Chioma has become so skinny. You can't feed her properly. You keep feeding her with those worms, all in the name of pasta.
Mom, is it true that Dad is bringing another mom into this house?
No, honey. No. Do not listen to Grandma, okay? Grandma is just being Grandma. She's just making jokes. You know how Grandma can be, yeah? You know what? We're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna freshen up. We're painting together.
Yes, Mom.
Yeah! And then I make you lunch. You are so funny, please.
I'm fine, my son. Look at you. Mwam patalego. Odogu mwam. Nakan haziegi. Hey! No.
You should have informed me that you are coming now. I should have, but I would have thrown a very big party and informed our estate people that Afobolo Dogu is here.
I know what you can do, my son.
I hope my sweet wife has given you something to eat.
Your wife? Do you know what she gave me? She gave me worms. Oh. That is what. You know that thing that you always send to me that I told you I don't like? That is what she served me. Someone who traveled all the way.
Babe, I gave her pasta to eat while I make the main dish.
Oh. Okay.
Is that what you're supposed to serve someone who traveled all the way from the village to this place?
It is okay. Mama, I don't know how important what you came to see me for is. I don't know. But just allow me to go upstairs. Let me freshen up so I can smell good.
My son, you smell good already. Eh? You are my son. You are perfect the way you are. You can never go wrong in my eyes. And yes, what I came to tell you is very, very important.
So you cannot wait.
Well, excuse us. I want to talk to my son alone. I said I want to talk to my son alone on NM.
Next time that you talk to my wife, take it slow. Don't talk to her like that.
Talk to who? Please, come, let me talk to you. My son, people have started talking. Tongues are wagging. And it's all because your wife has refused to give you an heir.
Oh, man.
My son, you know your mother now. I am the chairlady of the Christian Women Association.
Are you going to tell me I know the money I spent and the button I pressed before you can get to that position.
Exactly.
But even at that, what is the problem? What is the connection?
My son, you know that so many people have eyes for that my position. My rivals have started recruiting people to their side to join them in castigating me. What are they talking about? That my so-called wealthy son, who claims to be a titled man, is not able to impregnate his wife.
Are they mad? No. Do they know the mother of who you are? Or they go one or if it
is your
I'm going to teach them a lesson. You see, this is why once I want to handle these people from the village, you come and tell me, no, don't do. Now, what will happen now is, I'm going to drive you straight to the village now. You will punch them one after the other. I will arrest them and throw the keys into the lagoon.
Hey, my son, bam.
That is it, now.
Calm down, Onna. Mutu, you will not go that route. Because if you do, you will attract more enemies to my side. Eh? Just calm down. There is only one solution to this whole thing.
Which is?
You will marry another wife.
Eh? Is it good?
Ega no one ozo.
Everything your mother said.
And so?
And so? Really? You aren't even remorseful. Your mother is trying to hook you up with another woman and I overheard everything and all you could say is and so?
So what do you want me to say now or do? By the way, why were you eavesdropping our conversation?
The fact that I was eavesdropping isn't the point here. Listen, Ekene, I am not going to sit back and watch another woman reap where she didn't sow. Tell that to your mother. Please.
I don't understand. Am I the problem now? I am not the problem now. You are the problem, you know. So fix it yourself.
Exactly, I am the problem. And why is no one talking about my darling husband who has been unable to put a son in my womb?
Bia. Take your time. Don't even go there because I'm not here to compete with anybody. I know myself I'm a kene, one on a gonna refit. I know I'm a sharpshooter. When I shoot, I hit the target direct like my father. Don't even go there. You are the problem, so fix yourself now. Fix your problem. What is all this one? Don't come here and be saying nonsense, so I don't like it. Come here to tell me nonsense.
I don't know what is the problem. Why are you this moody?
My mother-in-law came around today.
And
she's suggesting to my husband that he should get another woman that will give her an heir.
what? Why would she even suggest the thing to your husband? You see, this is why I don't like mother-in-law. When there is a problem in their son's marriage, it is never their son's fault. They will rather shift the blame to their daughter-in-law. This is so unfair. What do you intend to do now?
I don't know, but I am not going to stand and watch another woman destroy my home.
I honestly don't know much about your mother-in-law and what she's capable of doing. But one thing I'm sure is that your husband is not easily swayed by anyone. So you don't bother yourself, okay? Don't let it bother you.
I mean, I have invested a whole lot in this marriage. My sweat, my blood, my tears. I can't let another woman reap where she didn't sow.
No woman will ruin your marriage. No woman. You just have to put yourself together.
Hey man, calm down. Why are you rushing the drink? Do you want to get drunk?
I don't need to drink. Just leave me alone to drink. Leave me to drink.
Why does it seem as though you're trying to drown your pains away? What is going on with you?
You will not understand. My mother wants me to take a second wife. Now you get to the point.
Why?
Why are you asking why? As if you don't know why.
No, I don't know why. Because your wife Adora is not barren. She has given birth before. She gave birth to Choma. Ekene, all your wife needs from you now is all the love, care, and attention she can get from you. Plus patience. That's all she needs from you.
I've never been so confused like I am right now. And I love my wife. If only my wife had given me a male child, I would not be in this situation.
Ekene, the ball is in your court. Then I can see that you are not in support of what your mother is doing. Do not let your mother threaten the peace you have in your home. And the last thing you want to do is to run into the arms of another woman. That should never be an option at all. Don't even think that one at all.
Onye, I'm coming. Container mama Alandia. Hey! Mama, very heavenly. Mama, leave me, Agnes. Leave me this heavenly place. Mama.
Agnes, you will not only live in this heaven, but the owner of this heaven will also be yours.
Hey, I like it. I like it. I'm a
Okay, see, I want you to go upstairs and freshen up. You understand? And wait for my son to come back.
Stop now. You're behaving as if you have not seen something like this.
Mama, I don't want to freshen up. I don't make up for my husband. I don't want to clean her.
Hey. Look, you are coming from a very far distance. You need to take a hot shower. You understand? You can reapply your makeup.
Agnes, stop.
Look. I want you to have a hot shower. You know, package yourself. You can reapply your makeup. I don't think that this your makeup is too much. You can reapply it and then wait for my son to come back.
Okay.
Let's go upstairs. Let me take you to your room, the master bedroom.
Master bedroom?
And who are you? And why are you seated like this? Okay, I'm gonna ask you this question once. And if you don't answer me, I swear on God, I'm gonna smash this glass on your head. Who the hell are you?
Sure? I don't understand. Why they pouring spirit into my drink? As if your spirit follow for the ingredient for this drink. I don't understand.
She is my son's new wife.
I don't understand, Mama.
What don't you understand? I said she's my son's new wife. Since you have failed woefully in your responsibilities as a wife, now you will sit back, relax, and watch another person do it for you.
You know where?
Talk now, they don't cut your tongue. Oh. My dear, feel free. Relax. Balance well. This is your husband's house. If there is any unwanted guest here, it's her and not you. Pour me juice.
It's very sweet.
It's very sweet, right? It's okay. Oh yeah. Enjoy, my dear.
Hello. Helen, I am not fine. I am not fine. My mother-in-law has brought in another woman for my husband. Helen, as I am speaking to you right now, the young lady is in my living room whiling away time. Stay calm. Helen, I cannot stay calm anymore. I have been calm all along. It's enough. I can't stay calm. You see that very advice you give me? That is what I am going to do. That is what I am going to do right now. Because I have had enough. I have had enough of this. I have had enough. My mother has been going.
Aggie, I want you to be in your best behavior when my son comes back. And one thing that is very, very important, no matter how things turn out, you must always give that barren woman the impression that you and my son are having something. Yes.
Okay. Now you listen. I don't know the hole you creeped out from, and I don't care. Well, I'm not gonna sit, fold my hands, and watch you rip my home apart.
Which home? Which home is she ripping apart? Is it the one that you have already ripped apart by yourself?
Mama.
Which mama?
Mama, this is not right. Mama, this is wrong. Mama, this is not right, oh. Mama, let me even ask you. If I were to be your daughter, and I'm being treated like this by my mother-in-law, Mama, would you be happy?
God forbid.
Would you be happy?
Chukwaju, I reject it. Do I have barren children? My daughters have children, 7, 8, 9, in their various homes. And their mother-in-laws are happy with them. Why? Because they have fulfilled their responsibilities as wives, unlike you.
Mama, this girl is leaving my house because I don't even know what you're talking about. I gave you a daughter. I gave your son a daughter.
So? Is a daughter an heir? We need a male child.
Mama, this girl is leaving.
She's not leaving.
Mama, she's leaving.
She's not leaving.
She's leaving my
husband's
house.
Leave us alone.
Mama, this is not right.
Leave us alone.
Mama, please, I don't
leave
like
us
it.
alone.
Mama, why are you doing this?
Allow us to rest.
Why are you doing this?
I'm doing this for my son.
Why are you doing this?
You don't want to give us male children.
You better go
Get
back.
out,
Mama, she better go back to
Get
wherever
out.
She's
She's not going back.
Mama, this is
She's
wrong.
not going anywhere.
This is wrong.
In fact, you are the one that should leave the house.
Mama, leave
leave us alone.
Mama,
go. Just say your son to me. Yeah. Don't worry now. Look at all this. Don't worry, my son will like you. You just don't forget to always package yourself.
Mama! Mama!
My son.
Okay,
my son. My son.
Why is my wife outside? Why will you chase her out of my house?
My son, calm down now. Calm down. This is Agnes. Your new wife. Yes. Look at her now. Look at one now. Look at all this. This is your wife.
Mama, stop all this nonsense. Stop all this rubbish that you are doing.
Nonsense.
Come on, let my way also.
My son, this is your wife. Oh. If you like, you run off, you will come back to her. Because she's your wife, I have already married her. My dear, don't worry. He's my son. I know how to get to him. Just relax, okay? Now. Oh, the one.
It is not ready. Where is my wife?
Your wife is coming.
We go call her.
Okay, let me open it for you. I know that the aroma is very, very enticing.
My wife is a very, very good cook.
Yes, she is.
I've always known that.
Yes, she is.
But Mama, stop chasing my wife out of the house. Don't do that again. What do you want the estate people to think? Seeing my wife outside?
It's okay, my son. It will not happen again. Oh,
yeah, that's not happening.
It's okay. Just calm down and enjoy this your food.
Because help me call my wife to come and join me.
And then welcome, yeah. How do you like it?
Very sweet.
I know. This is your wife.
What is going on here?
You said I should call your wife now. This is your wife.
Call me my wife. Who is this stranger?
This is your wife. She's not a stranger.
I'm the stranger. I'm your wife.
Yeah, and she's the one that prepared this food. You see how you are enjoying it? Yes.
She prepared my meal?
Yes, now.
A stranger?
If Rabo already. Now sit down. Sit down. What are you doing? Sit down and eat your food. This is a good food. By the time you are done eating this food, your body will start gribba.
Mama, how can a stranger cook it?
She's
Mama,
she's not a stranger. I told you that she's your wife. And she's a good cook. You even confirmed it. When
did I marry that I did not know?
I have married her for you. I paid in full, so she's your wife.
Mama, this is a marital sabotage.
My son eats this food.
Coup d'etat.
It's okay. Eat this food.
It is punishable under Nigerian constitution and law. This is invading of privacy.
Hey.
In one. What kind of a woman is this?
Just eat the food now.
Mama, the only why I want to eat this food is because I'm very, very hungry.
I know you are hungry. You are hungry. When you eat it, you have strength. Then do your work. Massage him. Make sure that the food is entering very well.
Whose hand is that?
That is your...
Are you mad?
Take it easy.
Are you crazy? How can you let your hand on me?
It's okay. It's okay, my son. It's okay.
Mama, this is a marital sabotage. Marital sabotage, coup d'etat in my house.
Now, eat the food now. I have told her to remove her hand.
Maybe she will put them back.
It's my hand, though. Your mother's hand. It's your mother's hand. It's your mother's hand.
Mama, hold me.
It's my hand.
Mama, hold me.
I'm holding you.
Now.
You will enjoy how.
If your hand touch me again.
It's okay.
If your hand touch me again,
don't do that. This apple is to make your body strong.
This one is soft. As I'm looking at this one, she's very, very strong. Everywhere is strong. Please.
Now you enjoy the food. Finish the food.
Concussion.
That is how you enjoy the food. You also enjoy the food too. Don't worry.
Really, you are not getting this thing. You pass it to this man there now. Let him get in the ball. You are here dribbling and dribbling and dribbling. That is what I'm talking. Chioma, what is it? This one you came with your face like this, you holding hand. Any problem?
I'm not fine.
You're not fine.
Yes.
Okay. I get. Is there something you want me to buy for you? Just name it. I will buy it.
I don't need anything. Is it true that you brought another mom into our home?
Hi. No. Another person. No. No, I did not. Who told you?
Then who is that stranger?
Come. Yeah. Chioma, you know you are still a child and you will not understand what is really going on. As for your mommy, I can never replace your mommy in this life. I swear to Almighty God. I cannot. How can I replace your mom? She's not going anywhere. She will be here with us anytime, any day. You see that auntie that you saw, Don't worry. She does not pose any threat or harm to us. Oh?
I'll be in my room.
Yeah.
Yes, bye-bye.
Chioma, I thought you came for me to tell you the story between tortoise and a snake, the one that happened in Oguta River. And nah, the children of nowadays will not kill somebody. Asking questions and questions. Ha! Nah. My mother will not kill me. I'll report them one day. Where is my daughter?
Your daughter?
Yes.
Where is my grandchild?
Your daughter? I'm confused here. This is the same girl whose presence has been unnoticed in this house. So what changed?
I ask again. Where is my daughter? Where did you keep her?
You know I've always known that you're clueless, but not to this extent. Ekene, I hope you know what you're doing. You brought in another woman into this house and you've been sleeping with her all along. And then you expect me to leave my daughter under this roof?